All right, so what I've got here is some electronics cleaner. Get the stuff at Wally World. Anytime you have a bad switch or bad contact or just some dirty connections, this stuff is absolute gold. All right, go ahead and clean that contact up a little bit. All right. Yeah, one in there. That's a mess. All right. All right, well, we cleaned it. Let's see the switch itself works, though. All right, grab the multimeter. All right, and what we're doing is we're checking for a 12 volt. So put your black in the green. That's your negative lead going into green, which is ground. And first of all, we're going to check to see if we're getting power from the battery. And looks like we are. All right, now let's go ahead and turn the key on.
That is on.
All right, which means we should be getting power to the black wire, which is our switched hot. I'm going to get the connector all the way in there. And looks like we have got millivolts. All right, switch is bad. Imagine that. Let's go ahead and grab a new one. We'll get it replaced. All right, am I on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go ahead and pop the old switch out. It just has a couple little tabs on the side. And they just pop right on out. These tabs right here, you push these in. That's how you get them in and out. Set this one aside. That's trash. Here's the new one. Now, we about buy these things in bulk. We go through so many of them. These switches are very, very common to go bad. Now, what's going on here is the position of the pins between the new one and the old one are not always the same. Which means if you've got one and your pins are different, you've got to pop these pins out, which I show you in another video, to move those wires in the correct positions to where they match the harness. We got lucky on this one, so this is actually the same as the harness because it's backwards from this one here. So let's go ahead and plug this in. I'll go ahead and run the wire through. Snap this guy into place. It does have one slot pin right here with a slot. You just line that up and it keeps it from twisting on you. And that's that. And we shall plug this in. So green, kill, red, red, black, black, everything matches. Perfect. We'll even use their nifty little wire loom to hold everything in place. Now, in theory, she should crank now. Let's give it a whirl. All right, we are cranking. So, at least got through that part.